I will be sharing how to make lemongrass, aka Fevergrass tea, and I'll also be sharing 5 health benefits that can be derived from drinking lemongrass tea. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. We're the product of what we eat. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Nature with a Jamaican flavor. So if you're new here, you may want to consider subscribing. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of green fevergrass, or you can use the dried herb, but if you're going to use the dried one, then you need to use 1 teaspoon. And you're also going to need 1.5 cup of water, and this will give you 1 serving. So the first thing you're going to do is to cut your herb into small pieces, which I went ahead and did. And then you're going to wash it off properly. All right? I actually went ahead of you guys and I put some water to boil, and now it's boiling. So what I'm going to do is add the herb to the pot. And now I'm going to cover the pot and let it continue to boil for another 30 seconds. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and allow it to steep for 3 minutes. Okay, so 3 minutes has passed, so we're going to strain the liquid into a cup. So there you have it. Lemongrass, aka Fevergrass tea. Now I usually have my tea unsweetened, but you're free to add your sweetener of choice. Some people like to use honey, others like to use sugar. It's really entirely up to you. Number 1, it's a diuretic. So what that means is that it helps the kidneys to expel extra fluid from the body. Number 2, it can aid in weight loss because it helps to speed up metabolism. Number 3, it has antimicrobial properties. Number 4, it's rich in antioxidants. And antioxidants help to rid the body of free radicals, which are responsible for diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. And number 5, it has anti-inflammatory properties. So there you have it. 5 health benefits that can be derived from drinking lemongrass tea. If you like this video, then please leave a thumbs up and a comment and share with family and friends. And if you'd like to see similar content in the future, then please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that you will be alerted whenever there are new uploads, which will be twice weekly on Sundays and Thursdays. So until next time, one love from the beautiful island of Jamaica. Bye guys.